my geniuses! Welcome back to another video of Kidopia. For the next few videos, I will be taking you on my long journey of learning Python. So, first of all, get this book. This book is called Coding for Beginners Using Python. I got it using mohbooks, and the URL is down below in the description, or the dark abyss of words. Anyway, jokes aside, I will be giving you tutorials on how to download Python, how to code Python, and maybe you could be a Python genius. So, today my tutorial is going to be telling you how to download and run Python, and you will be making your first ever Python code. Yeah! Come on, sing it with me. Python, Python will get you. Will get you. I can't hear you. Python, Python will get you. Now, off we go. So, I'm going to show you how to download Python. I'm using a Mac. So, if you have a Windows, then you probably should get the book because it has the instructions. So I go onto the Start menu, and I've already got Python. So it's got Python Launcher, Idle, Python, or you could search Python, and anything which has Python, Python Launcher, Idle in it, you should press that, and you should have a version that begins with 3, otherwise it might not do all the code in the book. Okay, so, and if you don't, then go on to Husband Quick Links. To save time, I've already got it open, but if you haven't got it open, you should search www.husband.co.uk/quicklinks, and then it should come up with this page, and then search Python, search, and then it should come up with this. Then it's got lots of websites and things that would help. I used this, download Python from the official python.org website, and it says download Python 3. It says download Python. It's a gold button. Then if you press that, it should download. And I've already got it open, so I'm not going to download it again. So that's how you download. And then to type in your first code, I'm going to search up idle, and idle's here. So I've got, open it up, big and ginormous. Okay, so for idle, when you download Python, you also get a program called Idle that helps you to write, edit, and save. And not everybody who uses Python uses Idle, but it's a place to start. So, first, these three arrows are known as command prompt, and they show you where to type your code. They're like a rule that you must follow. And all this black writing is not part of your code, so don't go around thinking it is. And your first code is writing hello world. So lots of times for the first code, coders write hello world. So you open this shell window and then type print, lowercase print, print, should come up purple, then brackets, and then you press these speech marks, and that would come up green. Then you can write hello world, and then you do exclamation mark or whatever you want really. Then you need to do the speech marks at the end again and brackets, and if you press return, then it should come up with hello world. And if you get an error like syntax error, invalid syntax, carefully rewrite the code and make sure you do exactly what I told you. No, you have to remember the bracket, you have to remember the speech marks, because computers aren't really very smart. So that is your lesson for the day, I guess. So bye. Bye-bye.